If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for block with the ticker symbol SQ. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for block, and before I begin, looks like the market was closed today due to Memorial Day holiday, so happy Memorial Day to all my viewers. Now we can carry on with the chart analysis for block. Looks like there was this downtrend in play which has finished because we had a retest of the previous low. So we had the nice channel working lower, then we had a two-legged pullback. You can see that right here. We had a leg up right here, which is the first break of the pattern, and then another leg up, and right near the tip of this arrow we had a triple top. Prices could not surpass this 145 level, and then we started reversing back down to retest the prior low of the downtrend. We retested the prior low, even exceeded it, and now we're retracing back up, probably going to be in the form of two legs also. So this was the first leg up, and this was the second leg up right here we're currently in the formation of. So we could come right back to that $100 level, and it makes sense because there's a prior congestion level that we just broke out of. So we come back to test this, see if we could find any resistance. So you can see that these bars were kind of like stacked side by side, and then we had a breakout. Now we're slowly starting to come back to test this level to see if we find resistance to continue lower, or we break it and find other levels to test. So looks like we're continuing higher in the short term, but if I show you guys this right here, it looks like this is the first break of the pattern. Just like we had the yellow channel on the macro scale working lower, and we had two legs up before seeing a retest of the low, we can get a retest of these lows because this is the first break of the pattern. So we can come back all the way down to the $64 level again after this two-legged correction is over. So after the correction plays out, we could see another couple legs down to retest this prior low, since this is the first break of the pattern. We don't have to, because it does look like we had an overshoot on this micro channel working lower, but I think it's just more likely to because the overall pattern is still down, and it's just better to be short bias than long bias until we see a strong bullish action. As right now, this is not that strong. We're just pulling back. This is what you call a bear market rally. So I think we're going to continue lower after this correction is over. I think we could turn around right at the $100 level, but it wouldn't surprise me if we pull back probably to the 120. But either way, I'm still looking for a retest of these lows unless anything drastically changes, and I'll give you guys an update if there's something drastically changing. So as right now, we can go wrap this up on the weekly chart. I have the weekly chart for block, and it looks like we're finding support at the top of this breakout level like we did in the past. Well, in the past it was resistance. We came back to test this breakout level. You can see that we wicked down right here when we led to a massive rally, and then we starting to stall out and cannot break this $83 support level on the weekly chart. So it looks like we're finding some support. We are far away from the EMA, so we could pull back to that, and if we catch up to the EMA, it's right around that 120 level. So we could see a pullback, maybe not that far up, but again, it's just a target to look at if the prices do continue higher. We could have bottom, maybe not. This is definitely looking more like a bottom than before, since we had a break of that macro yellow channel working lower, but we have not seen a retest of the low on the micro yellow channel that I showed you guys on the daily chart. So that's something to expect, but we don't have to do it because the macro one is done, and we did have a overshoot on the micro scale. So this could be it, but I'll be surprised if the bottom was already met and we're just going to reverse from here. We might just come back down to retest that low, maybe make a double bottom, but we'll have to wait and see. You can see the starting point of this entire up move for block was at the $50 level. A lot of stocks did retrace back to that starting point, so block did come up a little bit short that might be good enough, and we could see a reversal from here. But as right now, it does look like in the short term we're going to be seeing higher prices. I would say at least $100 level, and if we can break that, I would say the 120 level is next. And I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. But that's my analysis for block. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.